asked, and you guys delivered. Hey there guys, welcome back to my channel. Yes, we are doing a bounce curl One Brand Wash Day. This was requested by you guys, / I requested of you guys which one to do next, and y'all were really interested in bounce curl. Unfortunately, over on Instagram, y'all decided between bounce curl and Trey Lux. Like, y'all were really close over on Instagram. So we're going with the one on YouTube since this is a YouTube video. I need to quit asking polls in like 2 different places. I don't know why I do that. I need to ask one place, but I enjoy doing what is helpful to you guys. So if it is helpful for me to do bounce curl, that's why I ask. I ask what you want to see because that's helpful, right? Like, that's what you need. You need the information on bounce curl. In case you've missed it, we are doing One Brand Wash Days. What are those? One Brand Wash Days are wherein we use all products from one brand and demonstrate them on one head of hair. I have fine, wavy, low porosity hair, nope, medium to high porosity hair. I did highlight my hair back in December, and turns out that highlights weren't really for me, so I'm working my way back to my natural hair color, because turns out I actually really like my dishwater blonde. I thought I had terrible mousy brown hair until I grew it out and wore my natural hair color for several years and really loved it. Then I got bored and decided to highlight the snot out of my hair and remembered why I don't like doing that. It's a lot of work, a lot of time, and a lot of money, and I like my natural hair color just fine, so why color it? All right, enough jibber jabbering about what happened with the highlights and the porosity of my hair. Also, the new format of the One Brand Wash Days is keeping things simple. We are using just 3 products. A shampoo, usually a more volumizing type shampoo, if the brand has it, a deep conditioner, and a styler. Now, for bounce curl, we're kind of sort of doing that. We're using their clarifying shampoo, not their deep conditioner, but their smooth cream rinse out conditioner, which is quite hydrating. It's basically a deep conditioner, almost. And their light cream gel, which if you've been here for a very long time, you'll know that bounce curl was like the 3rd or 4th One Brand Wash Day I did. I've been using these products for a very, very, very long time. They're a really neat brand, and I'm excited to show them to you guys again on my shorter hair and in the same format that we've been doing the rest of the One Brand Wash Days. But before we get into washing this hair, I'm going to show you what the before hair is looking like. I am decently greasy. Like, this is a little bit gross. This is what my hair looks like when it is air dried product free. If you have ever air dried your hair product free and thought, wow, my hair's not really straight, but it's definitely not curly, it's just weird, watch this. Let's go wash and style this hair and see what kind of gorgeousness we can unlock, right? Alrighty guys, while I'm getting my hair nice and soaking wet, I do want to cover something really quick. I get asked a lot, do I actually wash my hair upside down like every time I wash my hair? And the answer is actually yes. Not only is this a practicality for while I'm filming, I do this all the time. And the reason for that is 1, I style my hair so much better when I'm upside down. I get way better root volume. 2, interestingly enough, I feel like I get my hair cleaner. I'm actually able to scrub all portions of my scalp really properly. I'm able to apply conditioner much better, and I'm able to apply my stylers in such a way that I can see my curl clumps and really get everything exactly how I want it. So yes, I do wash my hair upside down every time. Now I'm reaching for the Gentle Clarifying Shampoo from Bounce Curl. This is part of their Light Moisture line. Now, I totally agree with that. This is not what I would call a clarifying shampoo. Light moisture makes more sense. It is so hydrating and nourishing, but leaves your hair nice and clean and very bouncy and lightweight. It does contain some really nice gentle surfactants, along with some proteins and a whole bunch of extracts. This is an incredibly nice formula. It lathers beautifully, and as I scrub my scalp with the pads of my fingers, I really take my time with this product. It is one of those shampoos that I would call a hydrating low poo. Low poo meaning that it is sulfate, silicone, and drying alcohol free, but it is still a shampoo that like foams and lathers. So instead of a co-wash or conditioner wash or a no poo, something that does not foam, suds, or lather at all, this is a low poo. It does foam, suds, and lather, just without the sulfates. Now I'm grabbing the super smooth cream conditioner. It's called Required Moisture, and this is one of the more hydrating rinse out conditioners I have ever tried. It does contain quite a bit of aloe leaf juice along with bihydramonium sulfate and cetyl alcohol. It is 100% curly hair friendly, no sulfates, silicones, or drying alcohols, and it is protein free, which I kind of like actually. If we're using a protein in the shampoo, it's nice that the conditioner is protein free. This has really nice slip, and once I have that thoroughly combed through my hair with my fingers, I am going to grab my Perfect Care brush and finish distributing the conditioner. I don't use the brush to detangle my hair, I use it as a distribution tool. Once the conditioner is completely distributed to every single hair strand on my head, I am going to add just a touch of water to my hair so that I can do a nice thorough squish to condition. Not only does this really make me intentional with my wash day application, I do feel like it helps my curl clumps start coming together, especially when my hair was in the transition phase, when I was going from styling my hair straight to styling it wavy curly. This squish to condition, I personally feel like really activated my curl memory and helped my curls find their curl families faster. Once I have that thoroughly squished in, I squish until I feel like my hair has soaked it up. This is what my curl clumps are looking like. And yes, this is what my hair looks like when it's happy, when it clumps up nice and chunky and juicy, slimy seaweed hair. I'm very happy. Now I am going to follow the instructions on the bottle, and it does say to rinse this conditioner. It just says rinse. It doesn't say rinse out completely, it just says rinse. So I think I remember a long time ago chit-chatting with Bounce Curl, them telling me that you could leave this conditioner in your hair, but as the instructions on the bottle say rinse, I'm going to rinse completely. The reason you do that is the pH of the rinse out conditioner. Most of the time it's slightly acidic, and you don't necessarily want to be leaving rinse out conditioner on your hair if it's acidic. And companies will say rinse on their bottles if the product is more acidic. Okay, I hope that makes sense. Now I'm grabbing the Light Hold Cream Gel. This is the OG styler from Bounce Curl. I have used this for 5 years. I have played around with this product for a very, very long time. This is definitely not a first impressions One Brand Wash Day because I played with these products for so long. This product contains VPVA copolymer, glycerin, hydrolyzed jojoba esters, more jojoba esters, hydrolyzed quinoa protein, hydrolyzed oat protein. This is an incredibly lightweight gel, and I personally have experienced flash drying with this product in the past. When I apply this product to my hair, I have to scrunch it super gently. It's not like certain gels where I really have to squish hard and kind of pulse my hair hard to get the product to distribute properly. This is a very gentle pulse and squish. That keeps this product from flash drying on my hair quite so much. It also doesn't flash dry at all if I put kind of a more heavy cream underneath, but that's not what we're doing with this One Brand Wash Day, so I'm just being more careful and gentle as I apply this product to my hair. This is what my hair is looking like once I have that gel all applied in my hair. Honestly, this is looking really cute. Now I'm just going to go plop and diffuse my hair and be back to scrunch out the crunch with you guys. And just like that, here I am with my hair nice and dry. Look at that. It's so dry, and it feels so lightweight and kind of like fluffy but defined. This is what it's looking like in the cast. I'm doing air quotes because rarely do I get a really nice, hard, crunchy cast. In case you missed it, we're trying to shoot for a cast because of the Briogeo One Brand Wash Day. wherein I got the best cast of my life and my hair lasted for like 4 days. It was absolutely magical. As someone with wavy hair, I am just used to my hair slowly elongating from wash day to wash day. Like I wash it and it just slowly stretches out. That is one of the things about having a looser curl pattern. You're gonna have different looks in your hair. Your hair is not going to look the exact same from wash day to day 2 to day 3 to the day you need to wash it again. Anyway, this is how the hair is with the Bounce Curl products. It wanted to cast, it wanted to, it tried, but this light cream gel is so soft and gentle, it didn't. But I have really beautiful definition and just a teensy bit of crispiness. Also, my hair did diffuse so much faster than normal. Can we get a cheer? Yay! Anything that helps your hair dry faster is a big ol' win in my book, because we all know that diffusing your curly hair is as fun as watching paint dry. This is what it's looking like before we fluff it up and scrunch it. I'm ready. I'm so excited. I do wait until my hair is 100% dry before I scrunch out the crunch, and I tend to diffuse it to 90% dry. If I dry it to the 100% dry mark, it tends to get pretty frizzy on me. So 90% dry is where I stop, and then I let it air dry the rest of the way. Then I scrunch out the crunch. Oh, that one's so cute. Oh, that one got crunchy. Oh, that is adorable. That's a cute curl right there. Oh, this is cute. I like this one. I think I like them all. I think I say that every time, but this time I mean it? I don't know. I really like this wash day. Okay, here are the results once it is scrunched out and fluffed. And as per usual with all of these One Brand Wash Days, I will be back at the end of the day to show you how it's holding up, and I'll be back on the morning of day 2 to show you how it held up overnight. And here we are, the next day. All I have done is taken my hair down out of the overnight protection, AKA the pineapple I put my hair in to go to sleep at night. This is what the curls are looking like, 100% unrefreshed. I did work out in this hair, so that was something that happened with this hair. I feel really pretty good about how it's looking. This section, I feel like elongated more than I've seen it do in the past. This side looks awfully cute. And as for the frizz is really pretty good. But that being said, I do want to play around with refreshing my hair with the Bounce Curl hairspray. I'm not gonna do a lot, but we just need to take a moment to appreciate this 100% curly hair friendly hairspray. No sulfates, silicones, or drying alcohols. Very, very cool. And let me see. Yeah, the spray nozzle, it's not an aerosol, it looks like one, but it's just a pump, and it's a very fine mist. So I am just barely hitting my hair, and I'm going to smooth that over and scrunch and see what happens. If there's a lot of magic happening or not. I think it might just smooth down the frizz a touch. Hold on, let me see. I'm trying to use very, very little because this stuff is strong. Did that make a big difference? It made some difference. It definitely knocked down the frizz on this side. It did not add any curl enhancement to this area, but to be honest, this section will probably get tucked behind my ear, like so. Here is what the hair is looking like after the world's fastest, easiest refresh. Literally spraying like 5 pumps of hairspray on my hair, smoothing it over, and scrunching it in. If I had wanted to add more hold to this routine and like maybe keep this section from stretching out, I could have sprayed this on damp hair, like right after I plopped my hair, right before I diffused, and it would have added a ton of hold. I really like using this hairspray in that particular way. This is my first time playing around with the new packaging, and I do really like it. This is the kind of hairspray though that you like cannot run your fingers through your hair. This stuff is strong and very intense. It's not like any other hairspray I've ever used before. It's liquid super glue for your hair. But anyway, that is it for this Bounce Curl One Brand Wash Day. I sure hope it was helpful to you. I love that you guys are getting so involved with these and really making a bunch of recommendations. I absolutely have an incredibly long list of products that I want to get to and test out for you guys. So you might want to subscribe and click that notification bell if you haven't already, so that we can hang out for some more One Brand Wash Days, test them out, figure out which brands are the best and which hair types they work best for. Overall, my thoughts on Bounce Curl are that I love, love, love that it's a brand that is 100% curly hair approved. They're coming out with new products that really solve certain curly hair issues. For example, their Clump and Define Cream is amazing. It is very defining and very clumping. So if you are someone who has incredibly dry hair and need like the richest, thickest, most awesomest hair cream of your life, the Clump and Define Cream is where it's at. For me personally, with my fine, more wavy hair, that's not something I reach for, but they have the light cream gel, which is perfect for my hair type. They've come out with probably the strongest hold hairspray ever made. I haven't ever used one that has more hold than this, whether it's curly hair approved or not. There is nothing that has beat this on the hold level. Their clarifying shampoo is so wildly moisturizing while also being super cleansing. My roots are not very greasy at all. Y'all know I struggle with greasy roots, and I worked out yesterday and my hair isn't greasy after using that shampoo. It's amazing. All right. As always, I hope you're having an absolutely fantastic day. Everything will be linked in the description down below in case you feel like checking it out, and I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.